it's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys, fully immersed in fall. I almost changed my background today, but I got busy and I just didn't think I could take the whole thing down. But coming soon is Halloween. We're going all Halloween in the back. I cannot wait for Vlogtober. Today, Bath and Body Works. We're going to talk about Wallflower plugs again. So, Wallflower plugs are $3.25 today, and the 2-pack, I got to talk about the 2-packs, are $6.50 because these make great gifts. But first, oh my gosh, thank you so much. I got a letter from Matthew. Thank you. That was so sweet. I'm going to send you a signed copy of my candle inventory book. So be on the lookout for that. Yesterday, I got my Luminous coupon. A lot of chatter about coupons. I wish I knew how to get the paper coupons. I have no idea. I've been getting them for years. For a while, I wasn't getting them. My husband was getting them. My mom was getting them. There's a big Scooby-Doo mystery about the coupons. So all you can do is call customer service and try. I really thought that they were going to start getting rid of these and start moving into just the digital, because it's probably pretty pricey to send out the coupons anyway. I don't know. We shall see what happens, but that's kind of the story on coupons. So, fall Wallflower. Where did I just put my Wallflower plug? Here it is. I got a fall one out to show you. I gotta say, I'm really digging my leaf here. This one's super pretty. This is one of the scent control. Somebody stole my extension cord, by the way, so I can't plug this in. But you can see on the side, there's a button here, and then when this lights up, this is actually not a light up plug-in, but the side will light up and it's low, medium, and high. I kind of have mixed feelings about the scent control because the only level that I think anyone would ever want to put it on is probably high. So I don't know many people who want to take the scent down. So if you've tried these, let me know. And then I did bring out my little storage box. I've really been good about not overbuying the plugs and the refills because I don't use them a lot. So as you can see here, I've got this cute little box that I bought and I store all of my refills in here. I use these on Saturday when I'm cleaning. I don't like to fill my house with too much scent from the Wallflowers because then it kind of messes with my candle reviews. So I collect some of them, like here's cereal and cartoons I have in here. But I don't use them how most people use them because what most people do is they plug them in and they leave them plugged in forever. I have pumpkin pecan waffles. I'm thinking about this one. This sounds like a good one. I may use this one this weekend. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your plug, you're going to take the label off, and I always say this, throw a loosey-goosey. I just did it wrong. Loosey-goosey. Righty tighty left. I can't believe it. What the heck, loosey-goosey? Righty-tighty, loosey lefty. Remember when you were a kid, they would teach you that when you were like, where I got loosey-goosey. But anyway, it's the opposite of what you would think. So there's an arrow on top. You can't see the arrow. And so many people that I have talked to over the years have said, they almost threw these out the window or returned them because they couldn't get the top off. So twist it both ways until you get it off. There's the wick. Oh, this smells so good. Pumpkin pecan waffles. In the bottom, you're just going to screw this in. But again, it's not like the normal way you would screw in a light bulb. It's like opposite. And then on the back, you can turn your plug for your GFIs, which is really, that's important because you want this thing to be upright. So I got yellow in here, pumpkin pecan waffles with my leaf. You plug it in, and then what happens is this thing heats up. Again, you can, on the scent control, change low, medium, high. The scent will come out. And what a lot of people love about these is they're kind of like set them and forget them. So you can leave the house, you know, you can leave them plugged in all night. I leave them plugged in for about 5 or 6 hours when I'm cleaning. And then I put the little tag back on. There's actually, like, on the top, etched in the glass, I can't even see that on half of these, but the scent is on there, or you could just smell it. So I've been really good. I've not overbought the refills in recent years, and then mostly I buy Halloween. I'll get like one fall, one Christmas, but I'm addicted to the Halloween ones. I always buy Halloween. I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. I gotta say, I'm kind of tempted to buy the 2-packs though, because I love that they come in like this nice like box, and those are great for gifting. So they've got some good ones. They've got Twisted Peppermint, Evergreen, Holiday, Cranberry Parabolini, Strawberry Snowflakes, Winter, 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. That's the one I'm thinking about getting, because everyone's saying that's Praline Delight, which I really like. The Perfect Christmas, Frosted Cranberry, $6.50 today for that 2-pack. Those make adorable gifts. I actually want to get a couple of those, and I want to show you how you can make a really cute Christmas box for someone. You get a box from like Michael's, put a little paper in there, give them a scent plug and one of the 2-packs, and oh my gosh, you got like the cutest Christmas gift ever. I want to do some Christmas gift ideas for you guys. I am overly delighted by the Christmas scents. I always like them. By the way, I have warm apple pie in here. I have a lot of good ones. Salted butterscotch and vanilla. That's awesome. I don't know how much Christmas I have left. Honeycrisp apple. I have leaves. The perfect autumn. I have a lot of fall in here. I have used up pumpkin apple, a lot of my Christmas ones over the years. You know what? I like to do the fresh balsam. Ooh, laundry day. I don't like laundry day. I like to do fresh balsam because if you put a plug like near your Christmas tree, and you have guests over and you have an artificial tree like I do, then your guests are like, oh my gosh, your tree smells so good. And you're like, ha ha ha. It's actually fresh balsam or evergreen. And you actually have an artificial tree. So that's another idea for Christmas. So anyway, I'm going to place an order today with the code COZY. You do have to have the email code in store. I might run into the store. We'll see. Oh, these are online anyway. Oh my gosh. You know, Bath and Body Works, you do this to me every time. I get excited about something and I'm like, online exclusive. So why can you only buy the 2-packs online? That's kind of annoying. But anyway, those are available. Let me know if you're shopping today. It's not a bad deal. Honestly, these are usually a lot pricier. A lot of people stock up at the $3.25 sale. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Oh, Greg Brady. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot to even mention Greg. I watched Greg. He did amazing last night. I was excited. Yeah, gotta love Dancing with the Stars. Greg Brady. Anyway, thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.